Hi, I'm Ryan, and it turns out I have to say bless the French because they got these next two episodes a week earlier than the rest of us. I have no idea why, but for whatever reason, I'm happy because it means I get to watch them right now. And that means I may actually be ahead of some of you who don't want to go through the hassle of going through French TV. But why wouldn't you? Because it's still all in the same language. It's not dubbed, so you can understand it perfectly fine. And it's fairly easy to get hold of. Trust me, I'm not that good at finding these kind of things, but I was able to track these down well enough. This also may have something to do with why it's still using the first opening credit sequence, although I don't know why they wouldn't just use the new one. Anyway, this is going to presumably be about the ruby or rubies that landed on Earth the last episode. Garnet's probably going to have a few things to say about this, and let's just see what happens, where the show can go from here. Very impressed so far. Let's just go. And again, the first opening credits. It is nice to go back to this, be reminded where the show came from. And that shot of Steven, jumping ahead of the rest. Oh, and the names are all written in French. I didn't notice that before. I did notice the title. Hi. Really, Steven? Oh, and she has they have diamonds on. Didn't really notice that before. Yeah, that's about what I expected. Oh, they all have different personalities. That's a nice touch. She's the Donatello of the group. They could be after Lapis. Yeah. She's Solid Snake now. So did the rubies not see them? Kind of failing a spot check there. Oh, here we go. Yeah. Veteran's a little one. They don't know how many of them there are? I could buy that, actually. Didn't think about this much, did you? Well, they didn't have time, I guess. Didn't think it through. Okay. She's not that bright. That's a good thing. You're really bad at this. Well, I guess she is used to having a more stabilizing influence. I don't think that's going to work. You're not good at this. Oh, they're going the Space Jam route. Me too. I did like Space Jam. Then again, I was 12 years old when it came out. I'm with her. I like Bob. About what I expected. I played it as a kid. I sucked, and I never touched it again. Like, anytime I managed to hit the ball, it was pure luck. It happened, I think, 4 times in the whole season. I was good at running, though. The few times I got to do it. That's me. You don't want to piss off someone Timid there. Oh, she can do that too. So it's a quartz thing. Radar? What's that? Yeah, and all attempts to hide what this is have officially gone off the table. They just called it flirting. I did pull that off once. I did not capitalize on it, though. Just make out. We all know you wanna. You'd think you'd be used to it by now. You have to do the. I don't think she can. This could actually go either way, because they still have 20 plus episodes to get through this season or half season, whatever they go with. Got to fill it with something. And you blew your cover. If anyone saw it, I don't know if they did. And you're gonna... Yeah. We know where this is going. I like these guys. Women, whatever. Yeah, she just said guys. I'm calling it as a valid thing to say. And again, not worth it. It probably would. Huh. But Jasper's the one who screwed up, so... You kind of do. Where's she gonna go? You're not gonna fall for that again. I'd like to see them again sometime. They're fun. Okay, for the first time this season, we do not have at the end of one episode something that will lead directly into the next one. So I got nothing. But it was a good episode. Loved the different personalities of the Rubies. I would like to see them again. They'll probably show up later on because, Jasper is still out there. She's just down a hole somewhere. And probably pretty angry about now. I still am hoping for some kind of redemption story for her, though. Maybe get together with Pearl. She's the only one left. And just not much else really to go on right now. Like I said before, I'm not good at this, so I'll just end it. See you all next time.